He can't hear what I'm saying.
Stop that, Wena. Don't do that.
Oh, it's World what? Oh. It's World Hearing Day.
Yeah.
So-
Kuli Roberts and I have been at this for how long now, Kuli?
95 for me, just probably a couple of years difference.
It's been a while. I've been at this for a very long time.
But black people are there as well. How many times do you say, yeah?
So, what we're going to do is, Kuli and I have been going upstairs asking for a vacation.
Yes.
And we're not getting one because Moji made sure that his listeners understood the difference between a holiday and a vacation.
Yes.
So we want a vacation.
What's the difference?
But, I ask Moji. So Kuli Roberts and I, for the next
Time for Real Radio.
5 minutes or so, are going to take a vacation, and we'll leave Nasty C to you.
Be nice to him. I love him.
So, yeah, cool. He's all
Oh,
yours.
hi. In the studio with us right on KFM, we have the award-winning MC. I'll call you an MC. Nasty C, how are you doing, my guy? First of all, how old are you, Joe?
I'm 20 now.
20? Yo, Nasty, 20, and you've won how many hours last week?
4.
Nice.
Thank you.
And how do you feel? How do you feel after winning all these awards?
Happy, excited.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
All right. I'm going to ask all the questions that real people want to ask, because you know radio people and the media will ask you questions that I will ask. How much did you guys pay as Mabala Noise for these hours? Let's just go straight. No, I'm going to ask these questions. How much? Because there was controversy after all you guys, all of you guys won. All of you won. All of you. No, Elvov. No one knew Elvov had a song. Elvov won an award, Joe.
Yeah.
Kelly Krumo, everyone from Babalana is one. My question is, how much, comrade?
The only thing that I know was paid for was a feature on the album with French Montana. Other than that, everything else was hard work earned.
Nice one.
Awuvalile mfowethu.
No.
Awuvalile.
Angivalanga. Uyazi.
Okay.
Uyazi. And umzulu ntwana ngithi, ungazolesa ubuye emlazi lo.
Hayi ngiphume luva ayimlazi.
Oh yabo. Akhipha isiZulu kuye. Akhipha umZulu kuNSTC. And what's your next move from now on? We're going to the summers now. Not the summer awards, the summers. Don't ever say summer awards, because summer awards is nothing. I equal right then. So you're going to the summers now. Yeah. What's your take? Are you gonna win as many awards as you won on that other radio station awards?
I really don't know, man. I just work on the music. Everything else that comes with it is just.
What are you working on now?
Now I'm just gonna work on releasing more music, but next week probably we're gonna drop a short film at All Stir Chemicals.
Short film?
Yeah.
So you have actor, man?
Like, well, not really. I've always wanted to go into acting.
Who was the director lab? Rich?
Kyle Lewis. No. Kyle Lewis.
Mabala wants to win a young kingdom. Maybe you win a league this year. Hey, Mabala knows you win a league.
With the London Pirates losing so badly.
Yeah, Mabala knows how many you win what is the short film all about?
Ngiqambe ngoVelis, and Velis is my late mother's name.
Yeah.
So the whole thing I kind of dedicated to her, but it consists of 3 songs. Also, we incorporated 3 music videos in the short film. It's Good Girls, Don't Do It, and Phases. So the film isn't really based on the videos. It just in a way ties them all together.
Okay.
Right.
So that's one of your next moves, going to Philly maybe after you're 20 now.
Yeah,
and you can't rap until you're 30.
Can you hear me,
can.
Scooby? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You can hear me, ne?
Yeah.
Say foam.
Philly.
Aye, man. Foam.
Where he went to school, ne?
Yeah, again, I'm taking you to school now. Say foam.
Mr. Makaful azangathi film.
Philly.
Like it's a film. In English, they put on a single suit. Like it's a film. I go papa mo. I do about film your own. Get film, woman. Live and take a picture too. So that's your next move. Besides you, Nasty, who do you regard as the top MC in SA? Besides you?
I don't know, man. Yeah, it's been a while since I've actually listened to a lot of local music, but from the last time that I used to listen to hip-hop, in terms of lyricism or just like hot tracks?
Everything, Joe.
Let's do two. Let's do lyricism.
Okay, lyricism, I'd have to give it to... Either AKA or Reason.
Okay, all right.
Very
I
nice,
agree
very
with you
nice,
there.
very
I agree
nice,
with
very
you there.
nice.
Mhm.
In terms of making hits, we're also between AKA, Casper, and Anati.
All right.
I'll say Anat. I'll go with
Good. I'd
that.
throw in JR there as well.
No, I'll say
would.
Anat.
I don't relate.
You're not gonna throw yourself in there anyway?
No, say
Say
besides.
besides.
Okay,
Besides.
okay.
Besides, to find a film. Like, go.
I gotta ask these questions. I see a lot of you guys carrying backpacks.
Yeah.
What's in
Fuck, I'm
backpacks?
award. Yeah, I'm award.
I'm gonna flu medicine.
Well, for me, there is medication, definitely. But then also just like other
Medication as in medication, or medication as in. It's a Mary.
both. I won't lie, both.
So hamba ngenipho mfana, muna 20 uhamba ngenipho.
Amangavur.
Get
Like kuruza le mfana kwakhe.
yeah,
Sana namanipho nesti yazi.
No, I'm playing. It's actually proper medication.
Yakhula.
No, you're gonna hook me up.
It was because of like I've been sleep deprived and it's like a lot of stress as of recent.
Whatever you do,
Diagnosed.
I'm gonna say it straight in your eyes. Whatever you do, don't do drugs. Whatever you do, don't do drugs.
Never.
Please, man. With that being said, thank you very much for coming, Nestisi, and good luck into your future adventures. Whatever uyenza ama film, uzobona ama film. Into zakho zibe grand ntwana yami.
Well, and congratulations. I like the fact that you said it was hard work that won you the award.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Great.
And
Fantastic.
well done, congratulations. Do not take any SI, you know the rest of it.
Yeah.
And stay strong and you're fantastic.
Thank you so much.
My kids always say, we know that when you have hip-hop artists in the studio, you don't even prepare them, you want them to freestyle. Never, ever do that. Is that a standing rule that every time, because back in the day,
Yeah.
we used to have hip-hop artists in this country where I'd say, drop a line and they would.
And
so
then drop a
lately,
line.
you can't do that.
Yeah, I don't think
It's a
it's
rule.
safe to do that now. Yeah.
All right.
Why? By choice.
No, I'm not talking about you specifically. I'm just talking in general. It seems
Like
that today's
explicit
stars...
content tends to flow out when you freestyle.
okay.
So on radio,
All right.
I don't think it'd be appropriate.
The kids are in school now.
Yeah. Parents also listen, and these are the parents that buy the CDs for their kids.
Okay.
Wow.
All right. Makes sense. You're going to take your medication.
Uqedile isikole ngithi.
Yeah.
Wenzani manje?
Ngiqeda umatric and then I took a gap.
Oh,
Just to focus on-
Yini le gap? Yini le gap? Asikhuluma ngale gap before bro. Eyani le gap? Amazinyo like eyani le gap? Unemali uyasebenza, uyaholela, eyani le gap?
Eventually, I'm gonna need some sort of qualification to go into
Thank
whatever
you.
else I need to do.
Thank you.
Oh, yini no, ngifuna ukwazi igap. Usongitshela ama qualification. Yini le gap?
Gap ngithatha to accumulate as much money as I'll need, so I don't have to ask my father to pay for my film.
More,
school.
more.
So, man unemali manje ungaziyela, ungayunisa,
Not enough.
ustrike fees must fall.
Not enough.
Ayavila apha ayikho lento yakho, ayikho lento.
Thank you very much for coming through, Nessie, and
Appreciate it.
congratulations.
Honored, thank you.
All right, fantastic.
Follow at 180 with Bob.
Higher FM traffic.
There's traffic everywhere. If I was ke khumutsu uzokutshela ngathi kudala kunani?
What? I will always say this. What, slow moving traffic? I don't know. That's a film. What are you talking about?
Fike kahle ke ku Friday. Shem. Ngalento le phephuli. Khumutsu ungachayisa ngo20 past, ungachayisa 20 past 8. Njengoba ku 17 minutes past. Awungazi ngale ndlela uqoqa ungazi ngayo mina.
Okay, sharp.
And
sharp.
unesisi mncane
Oh, my
lento ukuthi
word.
uqishele unesisi yamehlo i-wrong khumutsu. Intanga zakho abo humor sikela ngizophaphela abo nesisila. Hawu. Sile intanga zenu le abo Jonas Gwangwa. Hawu Oliver Mtukudzi bekelani hakana na passage. Uzophaphela unesisila. Uthini ngami? Yes, khumutsu. Yakuchacha mina. Ubhisile phiwe nkuruwe. Uhaqana no Oliver Mtukudzi la. Enamazi Oliver Mtukudzi la makhoti mana nokizambaka. Khumutsu ngazi ngalendlela uqathu ngazi ngayo. Hey khumutsu. Uqishele lesistili ke lokuthi lesistili. Ngana kamna 20. Hayi khumutsu nisile ngikutshela mina nisile. Hawu, tanga zenu za actor kumvango lapha sifake amahemba purple. Sifaka amahemba purple. Uzohlanyela unestisila. Nomntu afuna isikokwana ngeke khumutsu nisile. Hawu. Tanga zakho sibhizi lapha sinoshukela siphuza ama medication manje. Amapilisi uyakhwehlela. Ngizohlupha umntwana la. Uzothi mawuqeda uthini ngami? awungazi kahle hey ubheke kahle khumutso mina hey silo type mina tanga usile
Can I?
hayi tanga ho abona siseba wina ama awards ene cisha lamehlo kulina abantu baka wina ama award la how
The N14, can I?
N14 khuluma nge-N14 amfuna
Thanks,
ukutshela ukuthi
thanks.
wena novusi litswalo benenzani N14 phela umuntu ozoyo unoringo ucabanga noringo ngathi ngiyabona noringo senishaya ilamza ilimi lakho libambeke kulamazinyo karingo ngayo senichoke yazazi nje kasi mazenza into ezisitoti bese ziyachoke so ya noringo Constantine ilimi lakho lihenge kuliringo Ora sakho nokucula ukuthi ngiyakhonsa uyalenga la ngathi umengo
Yeah, N14. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's going to be.
baba bangabafuna sibe ne weekend esha basingaringa disk
Okay.
bafuna mina sibe right sibe grand hluleni ndlala amagame ayi2 nina ngamalanga ayi2 nahlula ukora
Sometimes champions get tired.
uthini uchampion
Sometimes.
and now they are
Especially if you're going to play over 2 days, you know. Back sabotage with the electricity issues, you know.
ngicela ukuchayisa vandag baveta kabi ngicela udlala mix VV
Hola.
ngazodlala ama mixer nje bravo 45 yazi 45 khumutsola lela ngitshela ke i45 bravo mangabe boJohn Cherry engana ni kapoka ne stomach out bowazi ukuthi kibo bayahlupheka
Yeah.
hayi yes ni kapoka bongana ni kapoka khumutso umdala isani
I was in Nikopoka.
Of course I do. I had one.
ukwatila ngithi asiko right mina
Yeah, so we're not
by
okay.
the
siko long distance relationship
Bona.
kulu right my love
Just got flu, but I'm fine.
ne flu ngizondile yazi phela flu yenu kule age yenu asase flu kuphela ihlangane nezinye izinto flu nini kwashoka nini no ICU nini nama banana
I was going to be with you the entire weekend.
nini there's a memorial service cha cela ke flu manje yabona sesu memorial service yakho siyakhala nkulu ti
No. Nigalo cuesta.
wena zabo
Memorial.
umuntu nomashona kuzoyenzeka lento ukukhuluma ngashona ubani ufuna ukukhala for ukuthi ukulushonile angeke sikhala ngoba singazi ubuhlungu angeke sikhala ngoba siyabuza ubuhlungu uhambile mara titi momo
Did I will continue?
hayi ngiyabona tombstone yakhe inamakatini ma cough mixture what like now khomozo ngithi emotional ngiyabona ikontiri ama sign ama stop sign robot has got tombstone robot
Mom Edna, Mom Nya.
oh isi blesibhedlela eSwitzerland
Shout out to my client.
cabanga fanele ukuyosibhedlela namhlanje cabanga uyosibhedlela uthatha yo check nje igazi ukuthi CD4 count isase right uwele isilingi usalindile and yazi aba public ukuthi imani ngajaha ikiteni jahile niyakhula mos yabaza bona zabona hayi ikiteni jahile niyakhula mos uzogqila uthi yini leti gqila and lo muntu akubuza uthi ile gqilo phethe izinyo bravo ukwaphasha izinyo bese ufuna ukukhuluma nawo la athi no right and yalazi izinyo ucela ngetablet uthi lithule bese libuye futhi uthi ngithi paraffin lalela
Paraffin.
adukhola ngikasi
I've never.
bazokutwitha ke
Dikhulile
lithuke lidile lithule
paraffin.
libuye ngabo 3 ekseni and andinamoto kini ufuna ipetrol azimangatholi unlimited encane nginamanga
Wabakamela.
nginamanga izinyo matholi super nje uqhubhe kuna lapha izinyo lithi ke ungafaka petrol ufaka igas igasi wenzeni alisathuli lifuna isibhedlela ke lapho bese uyahamba esibhedlela uhleli ku queue ngapha kunomuntu uphethe iflu ngapha wena unezinyo ngapha wenye bamgwazile nonke nise reception nonke nimele udoctor yi1 yazi kuphi usechabu bese uzwa into uthi noma badlosisa unomzimba makahamba kunento enyakazayo mara lento izowa bese wona isiling papa ule isiling nama light
Yeah.
Reception cabanga wena uyi-intern reception ngimsebenzini azini uNkulunkulu muhle yazi uNkulunkulu muhle umntana uthola umsebenzi yazi ne yaphela indlala awelesi enisiling uvela umbashe ke idust Bakanye idust basho Akusona umuntu papa ngithi yasingadlala ngabo abakajwa amasilingi cabanga noma sithi kunomkhulu beka lapho abantu abadala kuhlaliwe ngabo ubona yabona mina ngazi what's wrong with the Department of Health Papa I don't know what's wrong. First it bokuyi truck aphethe abantu aba wrong bashona abantwana babantu manje kuwa ceiling. What's next in the country? Hasn't he language just pledged about asina manali hamba ne drip uzoyifaka endlini. Uyahamba ne drip noma sonto nami nje nayi shodo nje noma nganzi nje ya Bluetooth lalela ama drip like le country le yo like na probably hayi kabi ngihlala ngisho asivaleni kule. Yeah, let's go on and leave. You guys want vacation or holiday as a country asihambeni sonke sami ku vacation. Umgabuna 98 angithi 93
104 somewhere there.
Siyamgaba akekho so umgabe naye uthathe ukulina khuluma bro eZimbabwe speech sakhe 3.5 hours lokuthi and and in open act yakethi nasinembongo like yaham yini Oliver Mtukudzi
No, please save us.
We are fighting for indaba ye Paravin, but it's time for the shuffle.
No, she's going on about the fact that it's poverty. That's got nothing to do with
I didn't say it's poverty. It's what we are using.
Who discovered brake fluid inside the mouth?
I'm watching on Twitter and people are agreeing with Skumba about this brake fluid and paraffin.
We want to know who's the Galileo Galilei of the brake fluid.
So what makes you think? Okay, who thought of the painkillers? How?
No, they were formulated for pain. Dumbass.
We formulate things, Nati. How?
Petrol.
Yeah.
It's not a formulation. It's you drinking it. You're not formulating anything.
No, they're not drinking. They're dabbing.
Come on, bro. But we're not drinking it.
But you want Skumba to make a film about it now.
Listen, while you make this film, tell me. Who first said, guys, don't you think brake fluid will help?
I need some money, yo. We played that song. Skorokoro. What? Yeah, remember that.
Why?
Yeah, it was creative.
Was fine. No, in fact, my next shuffle will be Country Zikubu. The day my shuffle is played.
Melo Yellow. He had another one. We had a drink in this country called Melo Yellow.
Why?
Yeah, just like the brake fluid people.
Scooby, I understand you're going to be with us Sunday the 5th of March. Reed Farm, yeah?
Standard. Right. I'm going to be giving away things too. Yeah.
No brake fluids.
But please don't make fun of the Giselle brothers and their suits. Please. It's going to be a nice day.
They must not wear suits again up. This is the thing, Bob. You don't want me to make fun of things. Like, Umam Faith Vele, Minister of Communication. So she communicates like she's supposed to be the queen of communication. Why are they giving her auto cues? I communicated at Chikanje. Why Umama Bam nigga? Why? No. I got wrong here.
Are you sure?
I'm saying Spanagada. I'm saying Spanagada.
Yeah.
And I give a melody, you know.
Yeah.
For them to wrong again. Why am I niggas? I'm out to kill them and buy a mask with Unen King. It is. Umuntu une shortfall. The shortfall, I mean, I'm trying to ring this gam.
Yeah.
I'm comfortable. Yabo singakhuluma ngisharp mara angikho you're not gonna get the best of uSkhumba if ufuna ngithwenge why. Ngithola. So ngeke ngibe comfortable. Why you mama? Why bambhalela amagama amakhulu so abo inadequate. You know you're gonna say something wrong when you start saying it is. Hey. Wait, full of cute. But Mama siyazi usenza uyamuntu ontswemba communicator communicate ngale ndlela asimiyeka la ikhulumele ngithatha asimiyeka la ikhulumele like why bamenza so mama
and they know ukuthi yana nomsholozi baso.
Oh, Bobino.
All right, so we had Tanya Barodi in the studio, and I did my hearing test. And it's confirmed. I mean, I knew I was going to have a moderate hearing. I thought I was going to have a bad hearing problem, but it's moderate.
Nice, that's
so
good.
I'm pretty safe. It's probably just wax, and nothing else. Because I'm very careful. And you know what? I've downloaded
jellyfish oil.
What is it with you?
Can you stop with these concoctions? There are specified stuff for
So,
specific
when
areas.
you use what to take a bath? Sunlight.
No. My face only.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
Mara, the sunlight yes clean system to in. Mama mntana mhlambi sisu. Ngiyakutshela.
No, I hear what you're saying.
Yeah, but I'm phone when no problem nyas fana sivalele the problem. When ungibheka ngathi mina
from a different planet.
Yeah, like
once again, let's breathe a little. Okay, as I was saying, wait a minute here. As I was saying, we here ZA, right? That is the name of the app. You can get it on iOS. You can also get it on iOS, and what's the other thing? Samsung operating system, Samsung. Yeah. Android, and you forget these things. So that's that. Then I have a moderate hearing problem. Kuljoba, you gonna do yours as well?
I'm going to do mine as well, Budam. Kai, please don't forget the KFM Family Day in partnership with African Bank. Live performances by Jazil Brothers and Tembisile. When is it happening? Yes, we will be there. Noskumba and everybody else was fabulous from Ekaya. Sunday, the 5th of March at Reed Flay Farm. It's in Alberton, and the tickets are only 100 Rand. 100 Rand to hang out with Jazil Brothers, Tembisile, and people like Kuskumba. Come on, guys. And then, of course, don't forget, no alcohol or bottles will be allowed at the venue. That is KFM Family Day in partnership with African Bank. Come through, guys. It's going to be fantastic.
Busy weekend. Let's sing it, DJ.
So we're using Tiger Balm for what?
Tiger Balm for the one sister. Warm.
Yeah. Warm. You don't need a blanket for that.
No, cool. Sometimes I need to buy roses or even a champagne to charm, book a very nice hotel. It goes in the Tiger Balm. He says I am pressure. King. I say you party. I go visit Tiger Balm is ending. Baby's like, What's the shabby cook? Yeah. Manje bakaloka bamba lenkukhu lokuyaphunyuka. Lokuyibamba yini lokuyaphunyuka? Alenkukhu yakhuluma athi mfethu nyazi ukuthi uzongibulala mara. Ngifuna uzongishaya ngayo.